happy. Okay, that's secure. All right, that takes care of that. We are all back together again. Another season. So not to drag. Got the sure I got. Oh. Okay, very good. Let's go back on real quick. Review what I did. Okay. Pretty sure I got anything that went around that. It's around there. Back on the main belt. Here, drive. Okay. Let's make sure we got everything riding the way we need it to ride. So we definitely want it catching on anything and wearing down, and then we lose it. All right. Okay. So go back in here, do some lubrication on some stuff here. Make sure everything's rotating right. I just noticed I got a bolt missing. That's part of holding the snowblower up. So I'll get a bolt in there, tighten that down. These are what are holding the mower on. They're getting pretty worn out, aren't they? The holes digging out. Interesting. All right. Let's do some. So there, I'm going to do a little bit of lubrication. Okay, just a refresher. You should lube everything that contacts metal to metal on this thing. So you got these connectors here. I use lithium, so I spray the lithium going right there. Make sure you grease those. Got your tie rod. Spray into the tie rods. Get as much in there as you can. You got two fittings on your both your I want to say tie rod ends, but your steering. You've got one in your wheel for your wheel bearings, and then you got another one for your turning turning hub there, coming off your front A-frame. You're trying to match what you're talking about with a car, but you got those. I spray a little bit down around that thing for the release on your lift handle. And you've got your turning gear right here for a little bit of grease, or I spray lithium again on those. Your steering arm, put some up in there, and that should be good. Still gotta put a bolt in that little beam that I found. So there we are. And the next step will be to get the good old mower deck back on. And while I've got it off, I'm gonna go ahead and hit the blades real quick with the grinder and grind them up. End of the season, you need to get rid of that grass. In fact, I'll probably scrape that off real quick. That's what happens when you're mowing and it's wet out. It gets on there, and then it keeps moisture under there, so then it rots your deck out. All right, here we go. I just tipped up the blades a little bit and get some of the grass off of here, that white stuff. I don't know. Rumor used to have it that anthrax came from the dirt in the ground, so it might be anthrax. I don't know. Probably just mildew. But and there's proof that it does hold moisture for a while, because this hasn't been moved in over a week, and it still maintained that moisture under there. So a good idea for new ones is once you get one, go ahead and spray it off with a hose. Bend over there and get up under there, but it's kind of difficult. So let's get this back on, get some mowing done here. Doesn't belong. Oof. Move this stuff in. You have to bring the tractor down for that. Let's see. Alright. Lower that down. That's a good idea. When you're lubing the front wheels, try to get the weight off of them, and then you'll be able to get the best. You'll be able to get as much grease around the outsides of those bearings as you can. Down, go. Go. Flex down. I'll just leave the rear of this on the jack. Pressure belt up, come on. I say, oh, when you get your snow chains on, I just leave them on all year round because they give good traction in the grass. Down just a little bit. I don't know all that high. Okay. Get our hooks installed first. Found that wound up being the best way to do that. What to do with it now? Oh, got lost. Alright. Yeah, but do that while it's running. Right there. Okay. Sweet. Sure that belt is around there properly. I'm not catching on anything. Drop that down. And like 4. Okay, drop that down. To do with this. Outside. About 2 minutes left on my video thing. 5 minutes. Okay. Malfunction here. What? Oh no. That one's good. Caught that. Outside that box. There we go. And one. Sweet. You do that one. I'll do the other one. There you go. What its malfunction was a minute ago. Put your pins in there. Okay, we are. That was quick. Sweet. Make sure the dry belt where it needs to be. Oh, further on. Yeah. Take the belt. My hands are super greasy on that one. One thing you want on that belt, anything is belt conditioner. Help make it stick to the pulleys a little bit. And rotate that around. Make sure the routing is good. I'm touching nothing. Already made sure the drive belt was in good. Alright. Lift function test. Okay, great. Whew. Man. We're glad that's done. What did you do? Oh, yeah. Okay. That hammer. Oh, man. Back up there. Get into there. I'm just on a chainsaw next too. So I gotta put. I found that the two suction lines inside had collapsed inside the fuel tank. So that's why I wasn't getting any fuel. So that'll be next one of my little projects. All right. I'll wipe my hands. All right. All right. It's such a pain when you own your own property, but you know, you gotta do it. You gotta have the equipment to maintain and that, but we gotta be able to clean it handle off. My seat carried away with the lubrication. All right, let's go mow some lawn real quick. Okay, because I'm moving. Here we go. Sweet. I got lots of mowing to do. That upper area done first. All right.